A delegation of Kashmir Committee Jeddah led by Masood Puri called on OIC General Secretary Hussain Brahim Taha at the General Secretariat in Jeddah. The delegation pointed out that Jammu and Kashmir and Palestine were two similar disputes where occupiers were using similar strategies to oppress the people, and OIC should make concerted efforts for inalienable right to self-determination of people of both Palestine and Jammu and Kashmir. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, while exposing contradiction of the policy outlined by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in an article describing the G20 scenario under Indian presidency, said the same can work wonders if adopted in dealing the Kashmir dispute. Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, who continues to remain under house arrest, in a statement in Srinagar making a reference to the outstanding Kashmir dispute, said that problems and disputes have to be resolved sooner or later and peaceful negotiations provide the best option. Amid the use of different tactics by the Modi-led fascist Indian regime to cripple Kashmiris economically, Kashmir Chamber of Commerce and Industry has deplored that sporadic power outages have badly affected both domestic and industrial users in the occupied Kashmir. Despite the frequent supply cuts, the electricity bills are being raised unreasonably. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah, while exposing the reality of past elections, has warned the Modi regime and its armed forces against interfering in the process in the territory. Addressing a gathering in Srinagar, referring to the reign of oppression unleashed by the Modi regime through its brutal forces, Dr. Farooq Abdullah stressed that the need to defeat the forces who are harassing people across the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Protests erupted over killing of a retired Indian Army man in Rajouri district. 5 members of the retired Indian Army soldiers said that he went missing under mysterious circumstances 3 days ago, and his body was found lying in the fields in the village on Monday. The locals blocked the Rajouri Kotranka Budhal road and raised slogans against the administration.